Hello everyone, welcome to the latest video on my channel, Digger Evans Model Railway. What you're looking at here is my Class 50 Hornby and it's pulling the rolling stock that I recently got from Rails of Sheffield, those steel carriers, and the last three are the ballast carriers and utility things that I bought from the local model shop. I'm just trying to run it slowly as I can. At the moment you'll see it pick up some speed here because there's a better connection on the track, I think, but you get the gist of it. I've overwintered most of my locomotives and not run them, only a quick run indoors, so they're all coming out now that springtime's coming and back to the layout, and we can get on doing some work. You'll notice on the steel carriers I've got some slabs on the back. Those are just pieces of cardboard, a grey board, and I've given them a light spray with the airbrush of a metallic paint, steel paint, and some weathering powders, and just to give us the idea of steel, you know. I'll make a better effort sometime in the future, and I'll just sorry about that. I don't want it all road, is you? You can see it really goes slow around here, and that's a good speed, but I think it's the connection's not brilliant there. Want some work on. Speeds up a little bit too much for my liking. You can hear it speed up. But I just thought I'd do a quick running session, quick couple of minutes to show you one of the locals at the stable, and we'll have a quick look at what else I've been doing. As you know, that's the scrapyard. Everyone knows the yard by now, I've shown it enough times. I've been working on this west east side of the layout, and I've been making these cobbledy bits for the back alleys and things. Clearly they want painting properly. That's just the first bit I've dabbed up and down. I've made these myself out of resin, and in another video I'll show you how I've done it. It's not magical, it's cheap and easy, and it's good when you're doing things that you need to make a certain size and what have you. It's easier than cutting big sheets up and stuff. You can make them quite easily for little money. Those are the petroleum oil carriers. I'll just have a look from there. It is, I've got a lot to do, as you can see. I need to disguise everything underneath the layout as well, covering some curtains or something. We'll just see that come past again. And we'll slowly turn so no one gets seasick. See him going up there and into the distance. Under that bridge, you know. Now we have done some work on the north side of the layout. I did say I was going to sort out something with the platforms for the station, and I've got a little bit further. And that's one of the platform pieces from Scale Model Scenery, Build Your Own Platform kit. They're marvellously brilliant, better than the plastic Hornby ones. These are that MDF, and they're really good and they look brilliant. And then I've got all these weeds to put into place. This is some grass that you stick on, and this is some other stuff, and thistles. Those are the spiky things that we don't like in the fields because the livestock get them stuck in the tongue. And that's about where I'm up to. I've tons to do, but now the weather's here, I'm going to be spending a lot of my time out here. So the next video, hopefully, I'll be even further on, and we'll show you that resin that we're doing casting of. It's not fancy, not at all, and it's a bit of fun, isn't it? Bit of fun to do. So I'll say thank you all very much for watching. Thank you to everyone who's subscribed. Please do give us a like and a subscribe if you like what you're seeing, and let me know what you think so far in the comment section. Thank you all ever so much. Bye bye for now, my friends. Do take care. Bye bye now.